I didn't see you guys over there. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maira and Mom. So today we are going to read Pepper. 4 books. Actually have 4 books. Actually there's a whole series. There are like thousands of them. So why I love this book? Because in the end there are riddles and related to this book. I love riddles. Let's read one and then I'll show you in the end the riddles. Alright guys? Okay, what should we read? Pepper learns good manners, learns to be good. Let's read. Let's start guys. Okay. This book belongs to Maira Ibrahim. Pepper learns good manners. Happy birthday Pepper. Thank you. Hello dear. Good evening Mr. Brown. Here's a hat for you. Thanks. And this is for you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Pepper. Wow, another gift. Thanks, Papa. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Oops, sorry. Please pass the chips, Palu. Here. Paul, here you are. I like lots of pepper on a pizza. Watch out! Achoo! Cover your mouth when you sneeze, Dan. I beg your pardon. Chomp, 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 chomp. Mal, don't chew with your mouth open. Have you seen the latest? Mama, I want more cake. Pepper, don't interrupt when someone is speaking. That was a great meal. Bob! Oops, excuse me. May we help you to clear up? Thanks, dear. Thank you for a lovely party. Thanks for coming. So, my favorite part, the riddles. You and your friend both want the last piece of cake on the table. What should you do? I would share, of course, like half cut, cut. Like, this is a cake. My hand is a cake here. I will cut this half for her, this half for me, this half for her.
Okay, that's very good. So, like Maira said, यहाँ पे है Pepper series के और books जो कि है Pepper learns to keep a promise, Pepper learns good manner, Pepper is jealous, and this one is Pepper learns good habits. So these are really good books for kids 5 to 6 years के लिए, and it's really simple language है and very beautiful pictures के साथ चीज़ें समझाई गई है so that kids can understand what actually is like बच्चों में टॉयज़ देखकर एक दूसरे से जलन होने लगता है. तो इस बुक के थ्रू हम बच्चों को समझा सकते हैं कि दे नो नीड टू बी. सो बुक्स आर एक्चुअली द रियल एक्सप्लेनेटरी थिंग्स जो बच्चों को जल्दी समझ में आते हैं. ऐसे पिक्चर्स ये देख के दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड देन हाउ दे शुड शेयर थिंग्स विद देयर फ्रेंड्स. ये इसकी बुक है एंड बच्चों के अंदर गुड मैनर्स इंकलकेट करने के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छी एक और बुक है. पेपर लर्न्स टू कीप अ प्रॉमिस. जब हम बच्चों से कुछ प्रॉमिस लेते हैं हाउ शुड दे कीप द प्रॉमिस, ये इसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छी बुक है. एंड ऑलरेडी समायरा जस्ट read दिस बुक पेपर लर्न्स गुड हैबिट्स. तो यू हैव सीन हाउ नाइसली दे हैव एक्सप्लेन गुड हैबिट्स कैसे बच्चों को समझाए जाते हैं थ्रू ये बुक्स के ये पिक्चर्स के थ्रू. किड्स विल at least understand what actually it is and how they have to inculcate good things. So if you want you can just have a quick purchase from Amazon. You get these kind of 4 sets for Pepper series and I really like it and this is very good for kids. Samira is already reading it since she was 4, so she is very good on reading all these books.
Guys,
yes,
now I'm like 7. I'm going to turn 8 later.
okay. So I hope you like this video on storybooks. Maira is really a bookworm, so she likes reading storybooks and she has plenty of
Yep,
books. So
guys.
if you really like the videos of she telling stories and reading stories and we showing the books which are actually good for kids, do let us know so that we can share more of such videos. You all have a very good day.
Wait.
Yes.
This is my cat. She wants to say bye. Come on, do your stuff. Bye. Wait, and don't forget to comment or share and subscribe so we can hit 3 million. Whatever that is comes out of 1,000. We want more subscribers, boy.
Bye.